I lost everything, all my tools, truck, belongings.
Life changes, bro, quick, in a hurry, you know. And you got, you gotta, forgive me, bro, because that still hurt.
Went to Houston, they didn't know what to call us. If you're call us a refugee, evacuate, refugee, evacuate. You can call us homeless, but basically that's what we are.
Big boots on and all your gear on and what you touch and make sure you have gloves on. I mean, it was just like after a war or something. All hell broke loose when we saw that green dot over Broadmoor saying that no, we needed to be a green dot. And then we heard a drainage park, that sort of thing. Well, we had people coming back already. So we felt that we were viable and we felt that we could become a great neighborhood once again. It just took some planning of our residents.
It's an asset, and we have to bring it back to this neighborhood.
I was born and raised around here.
I know it.
The social ills that plagued us before the storm had to be a part of the rebuilding process.
It's not just about fixing homes back up, but it's really about improving our school, improving our library, improving access to job skills, and eradicating poverty in Broadmoor. I mean, that's really what we're about here.
Although we had the self-determination, residents who came together to proclaim that Broadmoor lives, you still need more resources other than just the people.
And with our partners like Walter Schurenstein, the Carnegie Corporation, Shell Oil, the Kennedy School of Government, and CH2M Hill,
we would not have this type of help lining up to assist us in our recovery if it wasn't for the Clinton Global Initiative.
Harvard is part of the CGI commitment to help support Broadmoor, but some social problems are so complex that no single entity can solve them. Some incredibly complex problems require a group of partners coming together, each with a piece to the puzzle.
Harvard sent the students. As a result, the development plan was born. As a result, Keller was, the educational corridor was born, and it was just a trickle down.
Whether it's money or expertise, talent, just labor, it takes all of the above to rebuild a neighborhood, to rebuild a city. And that's exactly what the CGI commitment is.
It's looking at involving nonprofits and for-profits and corporations and foundations and individuals and faith communities and really everybody coming together to really improve the neighborhood.
Every person that I've met in Broadmoor knows exactly what they have to do, and they're going to do it.
It's all us. No one's come here and said we're opening Wilson School. No, the community said that. And no one said, well, we're forming a charter school board in Broadmoor. No, the community did that. So we take full ownership and pride in what we've been able to accomplish for our families and residents of this neighborhood.
It's still a work in progress, but the foundation has been laid, and that's the start of everything.